I'm dying. What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Hazel back in the building. How are you feeling today? Well, I feel like horrible. That's what I feel like. I'm very sick right now, and I'm pulling it through because today is Atlanta's Carnival, and I was like, I haven't done a makeup video since this year. Like, this whole year has came and gone, and I have not done one video, and it's because of the fact that I want to reach out into like a different light. You get what I'm saying? I want to get into acting more, you know, and I wanted to go back on vlogging and stuff like that, and the makeup wasn't, I don't know, makeup just wasn't on my mind. You get what I'm saying? But I'm gonna try a little song, you know, I'm a little rusty and thing, you get what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna see how we do. And don't mind the voice, okay, and how I look. And yes, I'm back again in my red robe like I'm always in, but don't judge me. What did God say about judging me? So I bought this palette when I went to Jamaica because I was like, yes, I went to Jamaica with a blood clot. You know, I have an idea. I'm gonna do the rest of this video in a patois. Like, I'm gonna chat straight patois. So if you don't understand, I'm not gonna put no subtitles. Just try listen and understand. Patois is broken English. You get what I'm saying? So if you need to slow it down or go back, before I left on God Jamaica or whatever, bye bye this. And then I come back after it, and I feel like everybody hates him. Like, everybody hates him now, and I understand why, because his sexual life has nothing to do with you. His dating life has nothing to do with you. James Charles, I'm here for you all day, every day. Like, I don't even like keep up with your personal life because I'm here for your makeup life. And like, that's what I feel like people are misconstruing at this point. Like, when I'm on business for like, allow him man alone, make him do what he want to do. Like, enough with very aggressive, enough with this and enough with that. So all I wanna judge out them, make sure I'm not unclean. James Charles palette, and looking at this good Coca-Cola. Okay, so that's the palette we're gonna use. So this we're gonna use and thing. So look, you know, I always do my eyebrows first. You get what I'm saying? I'm doing my eyebrows first. So I'm gonna do them. I'm gonna do my eyebrow and cut back in this. You see me? So hold on there. I'm gonna do my eyebrow, come right back. Bam! Brows. If you wanna see a eyebrow tutorial, you let me know. I don't know what I'm doing. For real. I don't really know what I do. But I'm gonna match up a thing. So I'm gonna get a little closer. Get a little closer, baby. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do one eye. I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna do one eye. I have some like more kind of want to do in my head, but I don't know. So when we know while me know, and we gonna know together. I sound like a fake ass Jamaican. It says unleash your inner artist. Oh, look. Have y'all seen that? All these beautiful colors. Okay, so I'm gonna use this because this has all the names on it. So I'm gonna use this. So you don't know, say a Jamaica thing that, you see me? So my kind of a look or whatever gonna have green in it, yellow, green, and black. I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm gonna leave this eye and we're gonna go to this eye because I think I know what I'm doing now. So I always pronounce this wrong. I'm gonna take some of my P. Louise base in the shade 3. This is my Juvia's Place brow definer. Take this, I've had this all over, so our color could be nice and bright. I look crazy doing this right now, but trust the process. We're gonna go on the James Charles palette and use B. And what I've learned is with yellow, you must pat, not swipe. this pat. What the f? How did Blaque get on here? So we'll take that yellow and just pat it on the eye, and it don't have to be neat or nothing, cause you go use something. You go use the concealer or the base, whatever you want to call it. Line it back out. You get what I'm saying? We're gonna take this green. It's called Social Blade, and this is called Daddy. We're gonna go with the Social Blade first, and then with the Daddy. So we're gonna take Spooky right here and elongate it a little past the eyebrow. Okay, so you're gonna get focused on blending everything together. I know this is looking real ugly right now, and I think I'm f***ing up right now. I was a little too confident going in. Okay, I think I'm f***ing up, y'all. F***ing up. So I'm gonna cut it now. I'm pretty close. My biggest thing is take your time, okay? Just take your time, because honestly, this is just nerve-wracking for me right now. And this one looks higher than this one, so I gotta go up more with this one. So to make the eye more defined, or the eye look more defined, I'm going in with the P. Louise, and I'm just sharpening everything. Like the bottom, I'm mimicking the same shape at the top. Damn, like, woo, Jamaica. Wagwan. And I have a new representative, and I mean, hey, I know it's looking kind of messy, but yo, I know my face look pretty hit right now. So the same thing that we did at the top with the yellow, green, and black, we're gonna mimic the same exact pattern on the bottom. Go in with the P. Louise again and sharpen that out. You put it back on my hand. I'm actually gonna take this and wipe off. Oh, I just don't want my face to be like caked up when I get to putting on my like foundation and stuff. I am gonna still cut the crease, but like cleaning off my face just helps. Look at my hands. This has a cross pants to get it stable, but this is the gentlemanly part. Yo! That's something y'all shutting out. No cap. Okay, so this eye is definitely bigger than this one, so I think I'm gonna make this one big as well. So I'm going to do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Get it, get it, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Get it. Bam! The rest of my face is dead. But your girl still has a towel on, so that means we're not done yet. You can see? So BB had this thing, and I found this at Burlington, and I was thinking, it is Carnival, baby. It is carnival. My nose is running. I told y'all I'm sick. But I don't know how to like glue these on, so watch this. I'ma just use some hair glue. I'm just gonna take these big ones and put it like right there. I'm going to try this. Trying, don't judge me for trying. Ooh. Bam! But you know, here's a little finished look or whatever. My hair is kind of blocking the gems that are right here. This can't go on. And don't y'all think this hairstyle made me look like I'm a giant bitch? Like yeah. It's okay. Troll me. I don't care. Anyways, look at this. Is the final look. Actually supposed to be speaking patois throughout this whole video, so let me do my introduction again. So see you there, I'm done. I'm done and sing, and yes, Jamaica go proud of me after that one here. Look, focus no man. Yes, see there. Jamaica go proud of me after that one here. Come proud of me. You see me I say, cause this did well tough. Me not lie, this did well hard for do, and me just proud to me do it, you get me I say. So thanks to all of the people them out there for your support me and ting. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share the video. To all my beautiful people out there, don't let nobody tell us say you can't do it, cause you can more than do it. They just mad because they won't do it. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Tell me how your girl did. You know, this is my first makeup video for the year. Like, we about to be in month number 6. We in month number 5. About to be in number 6. And this is my first makeup video. But it's not my first video. If you want to go to my channel, you'll see all my vlogs and shit. So go over there and check that out, you know. Time to go to Carnival, boy. Alright, I'm signing off. Y'all, I'm really pretty. Yeet. Oh, come on, focus. Yeet. Yo, I'm like, look at this. Oh, child, look at it.